Hazrat Ali Karamallahu Wajahu said, the needs of judges should be fulfilled in such a way that he doesn't need any financial help and doesn't indigent to anyone. The standard of salaries of judges should be high. In a jurisdiction Ahwaz, Hazrat Ali wrote a letter to his judge Rafi. O Rafi, avoid avarice, don't allow lust to come near, and never accept any offer of the two parties concerned in a lawsuit. Once a Jew complained to a judge about Hazrat Ali in court. When the judge called Hazrat Ali to his surname Abul Hassan with respect and Jew with mere name. On hearing this, Hazrat Ali annoyed and said, this was not justice. You called me with surname and with respect, while you called a Jew with mere name. Once Hazrat Ali deposed a judge during his Khilafat period because the judge raised his voice high on the voice of the petitioner. Hazrat Ali directed to Qazi Shurai, "Wala taq'udu fi majlisil qaza hatta yat'ama." Don't sit on the court's chair until you eat food. Then said to Qazi Shurai, don't whisper anybody while sitting in court's chair, and don't behave the accused harshly until crime is proved. Hazrat Ali wrote his governor Malik Ashtar Nakhai about judge as اختر للحكم بين الناس أفضل ورعيتك في نفسك. Select such person for the designation of judge who is the best among the masses and listens the complaints of the people with wisdom and smiling forehead, who is dominated in his work and doesn't confuse from excessive work and responsibilities. Mimman la taziku bihil umur, who doesn't become narrow from the complicated events. Wala tuhammikumul qadum, and doesn't fed up and infuriate on hearing the calls and debate of the parties. Wala yatama wa fi zallati, and doesn't resist on his wrong point of view and mistake. Wala yasaru min al-fai'i ila al-haqqi iza arafahu, when he recognizes the right, he doesn't feel burden on his nature. He tries to reach the bottom of the issue as much as it possible. When he finds reality, he makes decision. Wala tushrifu nafsahu ala tama'in, his self doesn't astray towards the greed. Wala yaktafi bi adna fahmin duna aqsahu, he should not superficial investigate issue. Wa awqafahum fi shubhat, he should be sobriety on the occasion of suspicion and doubt. Wa akhadahum bil hujaji, he should accept enough and absolute argument. Wa asbarahum ala takashufil amur, during the investigation of issues, he should try to know the reality with patience and tolerance. Mimman la yazdahihe itra'un, he isn't impressed with flattering. Wala yastamiluhu igra'un, nobody can mislead or deceive him. Wa ulaika qalil, but such judges are less in numbers.